Good morning, students. Now we can study here again the inheritance and the variation. That is our chapter number 3rd. And we have to study here different definitions. Heredity, variations. All these terms, they are in one chapter that is called as the genetics. Genetics is a branch which is related with the study of heredity and the variation. Our chapter is inheritance and the variation. Genetics is related with the study of heredity and variation. There are another terms, heredity. The characters which transfer from one generation to another generation, they are called as heredity. And variation is, although the characters they are transferring or coming from the same parent, they show differentiation. एकाच आईवडिलाकडून जरी गुणधर्म येत असतील तरी पण ते कॅरेक्टर ऑर्गॅनिझमचं ऑफस्प्रिंग हे वेगळे असतात, त्याला व्हेरिएशन असं म्हणतात. सो देर आर टू टर्म्स, हेरिडिटी अँड व्हेरिएशन. द कॅरेक्टर्स विच ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू another generation, that is the heredity, and variation is, that is the character, although they are coming from the same parent, they show differentiation, or that is called as the variation. The similar type of work or the work is completed by Johann Gregor Mendel. So Johann Gregor Mendel nowadays is called as the father of genetics due to the most valuable work, because the hybrid crops which we are getting, that is the discovery of Gregor Mendel. So Gregor Mendel was the student. He had completed his graduation from the natural science, and then he became the priest of a church. And as he had completed his work in natural science, he made some experiment in the garden pea plant, ज्याला आपण वटाणा असं म्हणतो, Pisum sativum. So he had made his experiment on the garden pea plant, and he died in 1884. But the work was not taken into consideration. But again in the year 1900, 1900 मध्ये तीन जगातल्या वेगळ्या देशाच्या तीन शास्त्रज्ञांनी ते काम केलं. त्यांचं नाव आहे ह्युगो डी राईस, तिशकुमार आणि खॉरेन्स. The similar type of work was done, and it was known somewhere, there was notification that the work was done by the Gregor Mendel, and the work which is completed in the 1900 by Johann, that we can say the Correns, Tismar and Hugo de Reis, that is called as remendelism. ते काम पुन्हा करण्यात आलं, आणि या कामाबद्दल जोहान ग्रेगर मेंडेल यांना जेनेटिक्स मध्ये आज आपण फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स म्हणतो, आणि त्यांना जेनेटिक्स मधलं नोबेल प्राइज देण्यात आलं. द लॉज विच आर गिवन बाय, or the laws which are produced related with the Gregor Mendel, these are postulated or formed in the form of laws by the Correns. Correns नावाच्या शास्त्रज्ञांनी त्याला लॉज किंवा कायदे नियम या स्वरूपामध्ये किंवा प्रमाण यामध्ये त्याची मांडणी केलेली आहे. There are 7 different characters which are present in the garden plant. The biological name is, botanical name is Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum, that is the, we can say in Marathi, that is the Watana garden tea plant. 7 different characters are present in this plant which Gregor Mendel observed. And Gregor Mendel, he passes the data, or he calculated or gathered the data mathematically. त्यांनी त्याच्या सक्सेसचे वेगळे कारणे, we have to study later on about it, but this is the chapter, that is the 3rd chapter, inheritance and variation, related with the study of heredity and variation, that is called as the genetics. Gregor Mendel is called as the father of genetics, and 7 characters are present in the garden pea plant. Now Mendel's principles become the fundamental laws of the heredity. Mendel's work now becomes the fundamental laws of heredity, and these laws are made by the Correns. Correns is a scientist who had made or postulated the laws, and they are called as the 3 different laws: law of dominant, law of independent assortment, and a law of segregation. These are three different laws we have to study separately. Now see here, there is some terminology which used by Gregor Mendel. He don't know about the present tense thing, but he shows that there are something which are responsible to determine the character of organism. एखाद्या जीवाचं कॅरेक्टर एका पिढीतून दुसऱ्या पिढीकडे जाण्यासाठी कुणीतरी जिम्मेदार असतं. There are something which are responsible to determine the character of organism, and nowadays these are called as factor or determiner. त्याला आपण आज फॅक्टर किंवा डिटर्मिनर म्हणतो. ते ग्रेगर मेंडलचं वर्क होतं. आता त्याचं नाव जीन आहे. Nowadays it is called as the gene. What are genes? Genes are the functional factors of the heredity. Now factors are in pair. There are certain characters of this factor. Factors are in pair and they cannot mix during the gamete formation. गॅमेट तयार होत असताना हे एकमेकाशी मिक्सअप होत नाही, तर ते सेपरेट होऊन जातात. सो दे कॅनॉट मिक्स विथ ईच अदर. अँड नाउ देर आर सर्टन रिझन्स फॉर मेंडल सक्सेस. मेंडलच्या सक्सेसचे काही कारण आहेत. व्हॉट आर दीज? केअरफुल प्लांटेशन ऑर द प्लॅन्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट. एकदम प्लॅनिंग करून त्यांनी केलेले हे एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे. ही मेंटेन द रेकॉर्ड ऑफ द प्लांट. प्रत्येक झाडाचं फ्लावर कुठे येत आहे, फ्लावर कोण्या रंगाचा आहे, ॲक्झिलरी आहे का, टर्मिनल आहे का, ते डॉमिनंट रिसेसिव्ह कॅरेक्टर त्यांनी घेऊन त्याचा रेकॉर्ड मेंटेन केलेला आहे. अँड मेनी कन्स्ट्रक्टिंग कॅरेक्टर्स आर प्रेझेंट इन टी प्लांट. That is also a reason for success of Gregor Mendel. Then seven characters were controlled by a single factor. त्या कॅरेक्टरसाठी असणारे फॅक्टर हे आपण पाहतो की हे सिंगल फॅक्टरने ते कॅरेक्टर कंट्रोल केलेले आहे. अँड ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डॉमिनंट अँड रिसेसिव्ह. डॉमिनंट काय असतं, रिसेसिव्ह काय असतं ते सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न ग्रेगर मेंडेलनं केलेला आहे. सो दीज आर द डिफरंट कॅरेक्टर्स और रिझन्स फॉर द मेंडल सक्सेस. व्हॉट आर दीज? केअरफुल planning in the experiment, record of the plant is maintained, many constructing characters are present in one plant. Again, 7 characters are controlled by single factor, and he introduced the term that is the dominance and recessive. In terminology, we can study what are dominant side, what are recessive. The characters which appears in the F1 generation, they are called as dominant, and which appears in later generation, they are called as the recessive character. So there is another bit called as the 7 characters. They are given in dominant and recessive manner. In the garden tree plant, 7 characters they are present. Number 1, seed shape. How is the shape of the seed? Rounded or wrinkled. Seed shape. वाटाण्याचा आपल्याला shape माहित आहे. गोल आणि गोलाकार, rounded and wrinkled. Second, color of the seed, yellow and green. These are two colors present in garden tree plant. Then the pod shape, inflated and constricted. Inflated and constricted pod. त्याच्या असणाऱ्या फळाचा आकार कसा आहे. Then the pod color, green and yellow. Then flower color, purple and white. Then the pod location, axile म्हणजे फांदीच्या मधून ॲक्सिस मधून निघणारा एक्साइल, टॉपला येणारा टर्मिनल. देन द प्लांट हाईट, टॉल अँड डार्क. These are 7 different characters present in the pea plant. Seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod color, flower color. Then the position of the flower and plant height. So these are 7 different characters present in the Gregor Mendel's work, which he had used the plant called as the garden pea plant. Vadana. So we have studied or started our chapter inheritance and variation. There is the heredity, there is variation, character transfer from one generation to another generation. But they shows differentiation called as the variation. Work is completed by Gregor Mendel. He nowadays called as a father of genetics, and Mendel's principles become the fundamental laws of heredity. These are the base of inheritance, or we can say the genetics. Now the Correns postulated his work into the laws, and the P.S. Satavan is the biological name. Now there are certain reasons for Mendel's success. These are careful planned experiment, record of the plant. Then many characters are present in the pea plant, and 7 characters were controlled by a single factor. And he introduced the concept of dominant and recessive. 7 different characters, they are present in the garden pea plant. There is the seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod color, then flower color, position of the flower, and plant height. So these are the 7 different characters present in dominant and recessive form in